Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. We are preparing one of the Telangana's special dish, Telangana Pachipulusu. Let's get started. Dry roast til in a pan. Till it brown color. Grind it and keep it aside. Soak the tamarind for 30 minutes. Take out the juice from tamarind with 1 glass of water. Add chilies, onion and salt. If we smash with the hand, it enhances the taste. Now transfer it to the bowl. Add roasted til and mix it. For talimpu, add oil in a pan, mustard seeds, jeera seeds, red chilies and turmeric. Now add talimpu to pachipulusu. Garnish with coriander leaves and mix it well. Very tasty and yummy Telangana Nuvula Pachipulusu is ready now. In Telangana, Pachipulusu is one of the famous dishes and it is served with rice. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe Foodie Bites. For more video updates, press bell icon.